Domino's Pizza, DPZ on New York Stock Exchange did not have a good day. It was down about 8.6%. Released earnings, it clearly wasn't up to snuff, and I think this is a good point to tap out, take a break. Let's take a pause. I still like Domino's overall, but I don't need to be in it while we're going through this little period here. So sales were not great. Sales were down, or sorry, not down, but decelerated the growth to only 4%. This was in a growth phase just a couple quarters ago. Company-owned same-store sales were only up 2.1% versus expectations of 3.2%. Franchise-owned same-store sales were only up 3.1% versus 4.7%. So same-store sales is so key because it just gets you, more money without more capital. So it's such a key metric in any retail environment, and that's the one that everyone's going to focus on. So it didn't meet expectations. It wasn't that high. Total revenue only up 4%, which was a bit of a miss, I believe. 1 second, I did have that right on the tip of my tongue here. Yeah. Oh yeah, revenue was definitely a miss. They were anticipating 836 million, only did 811. All right, quick look in our model, and maybe I should actually have that ready. Here we go. So it's hard to see. In fact, you cannot see it here. But the return on capital actually has slipped a little bit. It was 61.2 in 2017, which was the peak, and then 58 in 2018. Not too bad, but just 1 quarter later, Q1, it's down to 54, so slipping again. And I suspect after this quarter, which just came out, so we don't have the data, it's going to slip a little bit further. I know those are still really good numbers, but sliding is sliding. Let's look at the financials directly, and this really tells a tale right here, right? We said 2017 was the peak. We had 8% growth in December quarter, and then one more quarter, 12, then 11, 9, 8, 6.2, now 4.1. So it's clearly a deceleration. I don't think the story's over for good, but I don't need to be here in this slowing period of slower growth or lower growth. We have lots of other things to look at. I think Domino's is still a really good company, but let's just put it on pause.